Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete all images from trash folder automatically in Canva. This is especially useful if you create a lot of product graphics, ads, or social media visuals, and your Canva storage is starting to feel cluttered. By the end, you'll know how to permanently remove specific images you no longer need, or clear everything in one go for a completely clean slate, which can help keep your design library organized and your workspace running smoothly. Start on the Canva homepage at the top left. Open the main menu, then look toward the bottom of that panel and choose Trash. This section is where Canva keeps items you've removed from your projects, similar to a recycle bin. Before you go further, make sure you are in the correct account or workspace so you don't accidentally delete something from the wrong place, especially if you manage multiple brands, client accounts, or Shopify stores under one login. Once you are in Trash, switch to the Images tab. This filters the view so you are only looking at image files, useful if your trash also contains designs, videos, or other assets. For store owners, this makes it easier to focus on old product photos, outdated banners, or unused ad creatives. Taking a moment to focus on images will help you avoid deleting anything you might still need elsewhere, like templates or video content you plan to reuse. If you want to permanently remove only certain images, select the thumbnails of the ones you are sure you no longer need. This is ideal if you only want to clean up outdated product images or test graphics that never got used. When you select items, an action bar appears along the bottom of the screen. Click Delete Permanently. Canva will ask you to confirm, and once you do, those images are removed for good. Because this action can't be undone, it's smart to double-check each image before confirming. You can open an image to preview it or hover to make sure the file is actually the one you intend to delete, especially if file names look similar. If your goal is to wipe everything in the trash at once, use the one-click route. Look to the top right and select Empty Trash. Canva will prompt you to confirm by clicking Delete. All this instantly and permanently removes all items stored in trash, which is helpful if you're doing a full cleanup or resetting your Canva workspace. Keep in mind that Empty Trash clears everything in the folder, not just images. If you want to preserve any non-image items, like templates or videos, handle those first before you confirm. A few quick tips to keep things tidy and safe. Use the Images tab to stay focused, and take a moment to scan the contents before deleting so you don't lose anything valuable. If you are working on a team, confirm you are in the right brand or workspace so you don't remove shared assets unintentionally. And remember, permanent deletion frees up storage but can't be undone, so treat that final confirmation as the point of no return, especially when managing assets for live Shopify stores. Before you go, if this video helped you clean up your Canva workspace and save time, make sure to give it a quick like. It really helps the channel. If you're a Shopify store owner or just getting started and want more simple, practical tips on design, marketing, and store setup, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Drop any questions in the comments below and let me know what you'd like to see next. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.